Unboxing the portable clothes dryer. Instruction manual. Let's look at the dryer first. Retractable hook. The design of the dryer looks like a Bluetooth speaker. To use the dryer, remove the base cover. This is the down jacket fabric cover, which is durable, waterproof, dustproof. Let me show you the internal of the dryer. This is the dryer with a hanger bar to hang your laundry. Behind the cover is the plug for you to connect to the power socket. Intelligent remote take care of your different needs. Let's test the dryer. You can control directly from the display panel. Blue light sterilization to kill germs and bacteria. You can feel the hot air from the dryer. You can also control using the remote. This is the sound from the dryer, not noisy at all. Mode 1. Mode 2. Let's guess how many tee I can dry at a time. For tee and shirt, you can dry 9 to 12 pieces at a time, and it takes about 15–30 minutes. Please take note to leave some gap behind the dryer to allow air circulation. To keep the dryer, fold and tuck in the down fabric cover and the plug. Then put back the cover.